Hello everyone. So today we're going to be talking about a character that is a geneticist as well as a part of the Nazi Party. Of course, we're talking about Arnim Zola. Arnim Zola is a supervillain that appears in Marvel Comics. He is a master in biochemistry and a reoccurring enemy of Captain America as well as the Avengers as a whole. The character first appeared in Captain America and the Falcon number 208 of April 1977 and was created by the legendary writer and artist Jack Kirby. In his introduction, Zola was a Nazi scientist experimenting with genetic engineering during World War II. His skills as a geneticist actually draws the attention of the Red Skull, who then recruits him to Hydra to aid their efforts to create their super soldiers. One of his experiments actually leads to Adolf Hitler being copied into a being later known as Hate Monger. Now, Arnim Zola is a Swiss biochemist that worked during World War II as being one of the first human genetic engineers in history after finding papers and equipment used by the offshoot race of humanity known as the Deviants. Now, because of the hunger of the Nazi Party to have advanced technology and advanced weaponry, etc., they see his experiments as a means to ensure the existence of their master race. One of his actual great accomplishments is the creation of a brain pattern imprinting device, which actually allows a person's mental existence to then be projected onto a cloned brain. Now, the Red Skull and Hydra as a group actually finances some of Zola's experiments, allowing him to produce such creations as Primus, Doughboy, and Man-Fish. During one such experiment, Zola collects humans from the rubble of New York City after the devastation caused by the being known as Onslaught. Zola endows a teenager with superpowers, thus creating the hero known as Jolt. Now, at the time that Red Skull's body began to age rapidly, Zola collected DNA samples of Captain America to be used as his template to create a new body. Now, Zola is a huge part of the Marvel Universe, going on such adventures as during the X-Men Endangered Species storyline. He actually is among 9 supervillain geniuses recruited by Beast to help him reverse the effect of decimation. In another storyline, he actually collects the DNA of multiple superpowered individuals and uses them to create proto-husks that are then destroyed by Deadpool. In the aftermath of the superhuman Civil War, Zola joins the Red Skull in his newest attempt to kill Captain America. While Red Skull is busy with his plans to control Captain America with a puppet government, Zola attempts to reverse engineer a mysterious device given to him by Dr. Doom. Keep in mind, he is a very smart man, but he's nowhere near as smart as Dr. Doom. Arnim Zola's powers and abilities is that he actually has no natural superpowers. However, he is a scientific genius and a biochemist specializing in genetics and cloning. He not only is capable of creating exact clone copies of his clients and himself, he has also created monsters which are mentally conditioned to do his bidding. One of the most interesting feats that Zola has performed is that he performed it on himself. He constructed a specially modified android body which lacks a head. Instead, Zola's face is located pretty much by a holographic projection on his chest or stomach area. On top of his soldiers is an ESP box, which is a psychotronic device which he actually uses to exert his control over his monster creations. The ESP box also lets Zola gain mental control over others, fire mental blasts, and transfer his consciousness into another android body. Now, whenever his body is damaged or utterly destroyed, Arnim is then able to send a personality to another bot stored somewhere, thus giving him somewhat of a immortality. Ethically, is that really him? We don't really know. We know that this is a transfer of memories, history, knowledge, and personality. And by all means, this character has appeared everywhere in Marvel and is a very important part of it. Anywhere from the Superhero Squad show all the way to Spidey and his amazing friends. We adored Toby Jones as Arnim Zola in the film Captain America: The First Avenger, and never mind the What If series. Our take on the character is that while we do not like actual Nazis, we like this character as a Nazi, as a character that is evil, that is smart, that is conniving. We like the biochemist twist to it, and the ability for this character never to have an end. Anyway, that's what we know about the biofanatic Arnim Zola. Please like, share, and subscribe. We really do appreciate that around here. Also, go down to the comment section down below. Write down a character that you may like to have us talk about here on this channel. As always, Excelsior.